Thank you so much for tuning into another episode where I'm showing you today how I make my favorite Lavender Rose Salt Scrub. I love salt scrubs so much, guys. I honestly use it every day. I love exfoliating the dead skin cells from my body. I don't want dull skin. You don't want dull skin. And so with these ingredients that honestly I had right around the house, I was able to make a fresh container of salt scrub, and I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. First up, you're going to need some lavender buds. I have it because I bake a lot of desserts with lavender, but you don't need it if you don't have it. Don't worry, use something else. Also, olive oil. I'm using a cold pressed organic olive oil. Any non-fragrant oil like almond oil or jojoba oil will do just fine. You're going to use either essential oil or, in my case, Jo Malone bath oil. Also, some rose petals, you guys. I had some roses from a bouquet that was dying out, and so instead of throwing them away, I decided to recycle and use the petals for my scrub. And of course, the star of the show is salt, right? You gotta have kosher salt. I like kosher salt because it's thicker and it's coarser. But you need also a mixing bowl and a container to put that in. So let's start with the kosher salt, why don't we, alright? So the kosher salt, you put it in your mixing bowl. I used about 1.5 cups. Also, you want to add the remaining of your dry ingredients like the lavender buds as well as the rose petals. And you want to mix that in together. I mixed it with a spoon at first. And then you add your essential oils. I don't want to use a lot of the essential oils because we're just using that really good fragrance or it's healing components here because Jo Malone is expensive. Well, it's expensive to me, but I don't want to use a lot of it. It makes the scrub smells so good, and honestly, J-Lo loves Jo Malone rose oil, so yeah. Mix well. I mix well with a spoon here, and I also use my hands to kind of break up the rose petal and lavender bud scents as well. It smells so amazing, guys. I wish you were here. And so next, you want to add your olive oil. I start off adding a little, and then gradually adding as I need to, as you can see. You don't want to liquify your scrub as much as you want it to coat. So a little at a time opposed to, add a cup. No, just a little at a time until it coats well. And just stir it up, mix it well until it becomes kind of like a sand. Like I imagine the beaches in Seychelles to look. Yeah, it's so pretty. And then you scoop it into the container because it was that easy. And you're done. You can use a mason jar, you can use a ramekin, just something that you can seal. Scoop it into the container and you're ready to scrub away. Dead cells, be warned because your salt scrub is coming. I'm telling you, you're going to love this. You're going to feel so beautiful after using this. It's so amazing. I'm so excited for you. But yeah, that's it. I'll list the ingredients as well on my blog. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you and have a beautiful day.